It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C here, to unlock the magic of common bases. So, we have this problem. If 3x plus 2y equals 4, then find 27 to the power of x times 9 to the power of y. So here's how I like to approach these problems. First, we find the common base. So both 27 to the power of x and 9 to the y share a common base. Then we rewrite those in an equivalent form. Then, like most math problems, we do some sort of substitution. And finally, we simplify. So let's go ahead and get started. So what I know about 27x and 9x, or 9 to the power of y, is that they both can be rewritten in base 3. So 27 is really 3 times 3 times 3, or 3 to the power of 3 to the power of x. And then 9 can also be written in base 3, and 3 to the power of 2 makes 9. So if we simplify this, we end up with 3, and this is the power on power rule of exponents. We multiply these two exponents together to the power of 3x times 3 to the power of 2y. So now we can come over here and we can choose to do some substitution. We can either substitute for 3x here, or we can solve for 2y and we can substitute that here. I think I'm going to go ahead and solve for 3x. So I'm going to say 3x minus 2y equals 4. I'm going to add, it's plus 2y. I'm going to subtract 2y from both sides. So then I have a 0 here, so I have 3x equals 4 minus 2y. So now I can substitute this for 3x. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So 3 becomes to the power of 4 minus 2y times 3 to the power of 2y. Now, if you remember your exponent rules, when I have the same base, so I have 3 as the base on both sides, I can rewrite this as a sum of exponents. So I can say 3 to the power of 4 minus 2y. And my rule then is, because this is multiplied, I can add the exponent. So look what happens. Negative 2y plus 2y, those make 0. So I am left with 3 to the power of 4, which is 81. All right. Thank you for taking the time to unlock the magic of common bases with me. Till next time, don't forget to subscribe for more math videos.